Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. I ordered something from Temu guys, and now let's unbox it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
As you may see guys, ayan, natanggal na yung mga nails ko. 2 more na lang. 2. Now let's open it. So actually, it's my first order from Temu guys. I was just curious about this app. Although parang ano lang siya, Shein, Shopee, Lazada, Zalora, and everything. But ayan, Amazon. And now I ordered at Temu. And let's see. Okay, so first item that we have is this. As you remember, I renovate my room and tinanggal ko yung LED light ko, strip lights. So I ordered a new one. Although I still have my old one, guys, ha. But I ordered a new one just to see if ever na pwede ko nang palitan yung old namin sa kwarto. Wow, the remote is much bigger, guys. And then put the old one here in the living room. Okay, so the remote control is much bigger. Ganito siya. I ordered the 15 meters, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, here it's 15 meters, nakasulat sa likod. And let's just try it directly. Oh, I need an adapter. Wait lang guys. Let me try. Let's try guys ha, just a bit. May dala na siyang pandikit. Yeah, may pandikit siya. Mas manipis siya. Direct siya na ano. Although yung akin kasi parang may ano pa siya, may protection. This one, wala siyang protection. Direct siya. Okay. So, let's see. I have an adapter here. Oops. Okay, so nakasaksak to. Alright. So far, gumagana naman. Let's see the remote control, if there is a battery na inside. Kung provided na ba yung battery or not. Oh. Ayun. So, meron siyang battery. So, I just put it on. Pink, blue, purple, turquoise, yellow, DIY 1, DIY 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think maybe sa app yan, yung mga DIY. Auto. Okay, so it's changed the color. Okay, flash. Fade 7. Ayan, yung iiba siya ng color. Fade 3. Jump 7. Jump 7. Jump 3. Okay. Green, blue. And we can set the brightness like high and low. I think. Although hindi makita dito kasi maliwanag. But yeah. So it's working, guys. Okay, I'll maybe put this one sa room namin. It's 15 meters, so I think kaya naman ng room. Oh my God. Alright, and second item. Actually, tatlo to, pero yung third item is na-separate kasi nga parang ibang seller siguro. So this is, let me see, a straighten comb. Ayan, sakto medyo straight naman yung hair ko. Naturally straight ang hair ko. But, you know, when I want something na it's kind of heavy, may kabigatan din siya. I want my hair super straight. Okay, it's like this. It's black and pink, purple. So, ito yung nasa box and oh, we have some clips. Oh, diba? Stig. May pa-clip. We have 2 clips. We have one and another comb. Like, one. Gaganon. And the charger. So, let's see if it's working. Ayan. It's portable, guys. So, astig. So, let's see. Let's put it in 200 degrees. Ayan. Nakikita natin tumataas yung temperature. So, let's just wait. I guess na maging 200 degrees yung number here. Ayan. Nakikita niyo guys ang hair ko. Although nasuklayan ko na yan my hair is naturally straight. And let's see kapag ginamit natin to. The good thing is you can see here the temperature that it's rising. Kinda cool. And we can smell it and nararamdaman na natin na umiinit siya. Ayan. Konti-konti na siyang umiinit. Ayan. Here guys, it's coated so it's safe. But inside, like, I don't know if you can see it. Like, yan. Yan. The pink thing here, that's the plate. Heated plate. Ayan. So, 135 na siya. Although I can start it already. So, let's see. Oh, konti pa lang yung ginawa ko guys, pero nag-ano na siya. You know, if you're at an event or somewhere na you need to retouch your hair kasi ang gulo-gulo ng hair. Ayan. O, diba guys? You can see, I'm just brushing my hair. Ayan. I'm just brushing my hair, guys. Like a normal comb. See? Parang nagpaano na ako. Nag-use ako ng flat iron. So guys, how it comes. The other side. Ooh. Nagtariban lang ako guys. So what do you think? So, yan. We ordered this LED strip light and this wireless straightener comb. So yeah guys, that's it. If you like this video or if you're interested to buy one of those, just DM me on my Facebook page, Leah B 2.0, Leah B 3.0, or my Instagram account, it's me, Leah. Alright, again, if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.
Pagod na tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Leah B.